Today we are looking into the our next N10 AI agent, which is a generate API test cases for us. Simply we give the requirement to our AI agent and it will generate the API test cases for us and store our API test cases in Google Sheet node. So simply open the N10 local N10 by using npx N10 command and open your workflow. Simply first we need to add a chat trigger node. So simply write chat, add the chat trigger node, close this, and then we attach AI agent node. So our AI agent node is here. Simply attach the chat model. Chat model is a Grok model. So simply add the chat model and configure it by using select 120 billion parameter model. Our chat model is ready. Then we add function node. So type the code or function. Simply click on code in a JavaScript and remove this line and close this. Then we attach the Google Sheet, and attach append row sheet in a sheet and close this. Simply then we create a Google Sheet. So Google Sheet, I have already created the Google Sheet. So simply I create a new sheet over here with the API test cases. So our sheet name is API test cases. Then we configure our AI agent node. So our sheet is ready and simply open this and the first we choose the our test cases sheet. So it's append row and they choose the test cases because of it gives me some error. So simply signing with our account and then it will remove the error. Simply click on this continue and it will automatically sign in with our N10 agent. So our authentication is done and simply click over here, select the test cases sheet and choose the API test cases subset. So it's already map each column manually. We will doing later stages. So simply open the AI agent node, click on the add option, system message and remove this line. And I have already created the AI agent prompt. So simply copy this prompt and paste over here. So our AI agent node is a configure successfully. Then we add the JavaScript code. So we have already JavaScript code. So click on the copy and paste over here. So simply our workflow is ready. Now we execute our workflow. So it gives the our formatted output and we will pass that formatted output into the our config node. So let me execute. Generate API test cases for login functionality. So our prompt is this and simply execute it. So it gives the formatted output and then we pass into the Google Sheet. So it's executed successfully. Let me go over here. And yes, you can see over here our execution is successfully. Simply remove this two line and delete this two line and I make it as a bold so you can easily visible these test cases. Simply bold it and you can see over here our test case API test case successfully executed. Generated the test cases for API with a different test case ID, title, description, precondition. Also it generate with the API method, endpoint, request body, headers. It's also generates the header, test steps. It's also generates the test step, execution response, status code, priority, severity, and test type. It's generate the positive, negative, and edge case scenario. So you can easily generate by using this N8N workflow. If you want this workflow, please comment it in a comment out workflow. I will send you link. Thank you. If you like this video, then like it and share with your friends and subscribe my channel because of I will provide some premium content